at that. Can you pull it up? Ooh.
Yo, man, I like your rig.
Bob, look.
What are you, crazy girl? Oh, you touched that?
Yeah.
Oh.
Hello, my friends. Today we are going to Fort De Soto to see our friend at the campground.
Turn left toward Fort De Soto Park, then turn right onto Fort De Soto Park.
Wow, very nice. Love to see the sun. And I see the sign look for alligator. Be careful when you're driving. I'm just kidding. So we can walk around here
Yeah.
for tour. Now we're looking for 226 number, right?
Yeah.
Not here yet. Okay, finally we got here. Hi, Pinky. I'm recording. All right, now we are here by the Our Friend place. Very nice.
Hiking boots.
Should we take a picture?
How warm is it? You go in the water? Warm enough?
All right, we're gonna get a ride from our friend. Oh, I'm excited. Another day.
Fun.
Yes.
That's what I'm talking about.
Okay.
Beautiful.
That way, right? That way. Slow down, Bob.
So,
Wow, I love it. Look
You know
at
what?
that.
you sure? This is a dream catcher. You know about dream catchers, right?
No.
I'm gonna talk. You know what? We'll wait till we get to the park. Bob's gonna follow us down.
There.
He's gonna cross over here.
How do you feel, Bob?
Good. Woohoo!
Wow, beautiful day.
Oh yeah, look at the birds.
Yeah. Oh, we will see a lot of birds over here too,
See
right?
The magnificent frigate bird. Yes, we will see some beautiful birds.
Oh, where's he now?
He's way back there. He can only go this way, so he'll get there.
Just how many? Just 1 mile? 1.5
Just a couple
around?
miles.
Okay.
The thing will go 40 miles on one charge. We're gonna go
Beautiful,
to this. There's a north beach, and we're gonna go to the east beach.
He's coming. You having fun? Looking good.
There it is, right there.
sunny. Sunshine!
Oh yeah, sunshine on my shoulders.
You gonna stop by here?
Yeah, we'll stop for a little bit.
Okay. Good job, Bob. You're looking good on video.
I said I don't need it to go any faster.
Wow, all birds over here. Wow, beautiful. Wow, very, very sunny. I love it. Look at that behind me. Wow, this area is lovely. Very relaxing.
Try to give it a little gas and you'll go. If you shift gears, now try to give it a little power. Look at that ship out there, man. It's huge. Okay, she's giving it a little power.
Right back.
Give it the power.
Huh?
Try the power.
It's alright, it's alright. I think I like it this way.
timer? Give it the gas! Give it a little power! Yeehaw! There's some good footage right there. You're doing good!
Driving.
I am!